Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today I have made a account, and this is probably going to be a series where I'm going to be trying to get up to level 10. And I've already got up to level 4. I've got most of the activities done and making the outfit done. Go add me and auto me because I'm trying to level up. And in this video I'm going to be trying to get up to level 5. So I would be halfway there. And I'm going to try to do this in a month, or it depends really. So I'll probably go on this account every day. It's on a US server, capital R for rares. 4 and an Eva exclamation mark, and I'm doing Coco's quests right now. I think that's her name. She said it when I started doing the quests. So right now I'm gonna go into any chat room and say hi. Find star coins in the chat room. Collect star coins. I don't know why I keep saying it. That's what love is. Beautiful, don't you? I found star coins. What's up? The ceiling. Sweet candy drop. I keep reading random messages. Like, what? Chat. Not messages. This service really annoying. I am sometimes really annoying to myself. That was not a song. Oh my. Where is the star coins gone? Literally, they were there. They're gone. Really. Come back to me. Okay, I guess I won't. Get those ones. Let's go Bollywood. Come on, I'm bored. I'll probably get like an outfit in this video too, if I have time. And this NFT will load. Hold on, you got something. So if there's background noises, I'm trying to do something with my foot because it's really in my way. Come on. Ow! I just lifted up my hair. Oh. I love keeping me. I'm just really sad these days. Thanks everyone. Did anyone literally see my star coins go down? It was on like 1,295. So yeah, thank you. Sometimes it goes up too far. Or sometimes it just goes down for the sake of going down. This is really boring. I've been on this one quest for like 10 minutes now. I'm joking. Like 2 minutes. 3 minutes. 4 minutes. I'll be back when I've done it. Woohoo! After doing literally a life routine, I finally managed to get some star coins, and I am celebrating. And thank you, Bollywood Cats. Even though you was like the first cafe I ever went to when I was looking for the star coins. Yeah, you actually kind of made my day. Even though it is, let me just 10:09 or 10:19. Let me just 10:09. If you want to see, I'm just moving it the camera along. Okay, well, the screen recorder. Oh, I think I have to give an auto. And then receive an autograph. So that's gonna be fun. Okay, that's literally me. And there's gonna be stuff. Okay, now as we go, please put your top on. Oh, thank you. Okay, it's a bit of a hand. Lollipop now. Shy again. Oops, I just started adding her, even though there's some other quests. Anyway, let's just not try again. If they want to give me an autograph, I'll be more than happy to get the auto back. You're level 5 now. Get it right. Okay, I'm just gonna ask. This is gonna take a long. Ask if I can get an autograph from her. I can give you an auto in alone. Please. And then it's not a face. She's gone. I'll ask this cutter. Her name is literally name. Okay. Who wants VIP? Message me. I know it's the half of something, so I won't go for it. And then I bet all like 10 minutes ago for it anyway. Looks like a huge account. I'm crowded. That just sounds a bit weird. Okay, she's not giving me an autograph like she said. She said she would give me an autograph, so that's really sad. But she's not actually giving me an autograph, so back when she actually does give me an autograph. Finally, I got an autograph. For myself, sadly. But this is an account that I'm going to be giving away today. And this video is called BOOOMMN. And the password is OK123. I don't know. Don't ask me. What happened? I don't know. Your life just disappeared. Yeah, and this is the screen recorder that I use, by the way. Yes, Screencast-O-Matic. I think you should check it out. And yes, you can have that account too. Oh, she messaged me. Oh no, I am so sorry. I can't because I autoed someone and I have to wait an hour. I'll be sure to auto you then. Okay then, bye. Oh yes, you can't go into the arcade. But you can't. You won't be able to get back out. By the way, this is my main account. Go add that. You can reach out to me. Oops. Well, I think I'll end the video here. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.